Hey everyone, welcome to our Python programming series. Today we're diving into Python basics. In this first video, we'll explore what Python is, how to use the interactive shell, and write our first simple expressions. Let's get started. Python is a super versatile programming language, perfect for beginners. You don't need to know everything about it to start coding, just a few basics, and you'll be writing cool programs in no time. To begin, we'll use the interactive shell, a tool where you can type Python code and see results instantly. It's like a calculator for code. To open the interactive shell, you need Python installed. If you haven't done that yet, check my pinned comment for a link to install Python, or just search for python.org, and from downloads you can see the latest version for Windows and download it yourself. Once you install Python, you can easily click on the search bar and search for Python. That's it. And then this is the interactive shell. You can start writing some codes. Okay, let's try a simple expression. For example, type 2 plus 2 and then press enter. What happens? Boom, Python gives us 4. This is an expression, a combination of values like 2 and operators like plus that evaluates to a single value. Expressions are the building blocks of Python. Try another, for example, 5 minus 3. Yeah. Or something like 2. If you type 2 and press enter, it just returns itself. That means 2 is also an expression. Guys, don't worry about mistakes. If you type something wrong, for example, if you type 5 plus and then press enter, Python shows an error. It's a syntax error, invalid syntax. It says that Python doesn't understand what we write here. That's okay. You can search for errors online and get help, but don't worry about it. Type your codes and everything you want. Nothing serious will happen. It just gives you errors about what is wrong with the code. Okay guys, that's it for today. We learned what Python is, how to open the interactive shell, how to write simple expressions. Practice typing 2 plus 2, 10 minus 4, something like that. In the next video, we'll explore math operators and how Python handles them. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss it. See you next time.